Affiliate marketers. Are you ready for a game changer? The Ambassador program is here to take you to new heights in your career. This comprehensive package is your key to an efficient, successful affiliate marketing business. It's like a gold mine waiting to be tapped. With an evergreen webinar funnel, you can start raking in high-ticket commissions right away. But there's more to it. The Ambassador program equips you with a high-converting opt-in page and a custom-branded report that grows your email list. As subscribers register for the webinar, your potential earnings increase. Isn't that exciting? Now, think about the potential of recruiting your own affiliates. With the Ambassador program, you get to leverage the profits they generate, earning you 50% commission on their sales. Moreover, with a professionally crafted 9-part email sequence and a comprehensive video training series, success is inevitable. To top it all off, the program offers the traffic trifecta module, ensuring a consistent flow of high-quality traffic to your funnels. You'll also have guest blog posting opportunities and a 99-day follow-up email sequence that promotes high-converting affiliate offers. All these advantages culminate in the opportunity to earn second-tier commissions. So, step into the future of affiliate marketing and join the Ambassador program today. Click the link below and let's make your dreams a reality.